Ever felt tired before lunch when you haven't eaten since breakfast? That's because we get our energy from food. When you eat food, your body changes the food into a special kind of sugar called glucose. Glucose is like the gas you put in your car to keep it running. Not only does glucose make foods taste sweet, but it's also our cell's main source of energy. So how does our body break down this glucose to get energy? That's what we're about to talk about. Cells use oxygen to break down glucose and release energy during a process called cellular respiration. This process is all about changing food into a form of energy cells can actually use called ATP, adenosine triphosphate. So where in our cells does cellular respiration happen? Inside the cell, the mitochondria take in nutrients, break them down, and generate energy. And they do this using a biological machine called the pyruvate dehydrogenase complex, aka PDC. PDC is a machine that takes pyruvate, a molecule from our food, and then creates energy. In 1966, Dr. Lester Reed was researching the structure of PDC. Since they already knew at the time that the bacterial PDC was shaped like a cube, they decided to magnify the cells to see what human PDC would look like. In the process, they found out the human PDC had the shape that actually contained 12 faces and 20 corners.
The structure of PDC, as shown, consists of a core layer and a surrounding layer. There are three important parts of this machine called E1, E2, and E3 that all do different things that add up to the overall function of PDC. There are also swinging arms that carry unfinished products between the machine parts and help the process to completion. It is very important that these arms are present so that each machine part can focus on its own job. When looking a little closer at these individual parts, E2 makes up the core, while E1 and E3 make up the surrounding layer. These E1 and E3 machine parts are distributed unevenly, which helps them carry out their unique jobs.
When the E3 part of the PDC protein has a structural error, it lets oxygen gain too many electrons, and those oxygens become dangerous for the body. This can cause brain and nerve damage or even heart problems, and it has also been linked to obesity. To treat this, you can use lipoic acid. Lipoic acid takes some of the electrons back. You can also use flavin, which replaces a missing piece of the protein. Flavin is needed to make E3 part function properly.